What's up, everyone? This is Tampa Bay's Best Life, and I'm your host, Jared Rutherford. We're here in Palmetto, Florida at this amazing waterfront home. It's 3 bedrooms, 4 bath, just over 3,900 square feet. Come check it out. I'm standing here in the formal living room where we have the $1 million view of the saltwater pool, the hot tub, all on the water with a 40-foot boat slip. The water is on the Manatee River that leads to the Gulf of Mexico. This kitchen is a chef's dream. Whether you like to entertain or just cook for your family, we have stainless steel appliances, we have a gas stove, a convection oven, and much more. Wow, what a view. There's not a bad seat in this luxury home. Welcome to this owner's suite. The master suite comes with a jacuzzi tub, a stand-up shower, and dual sinks. Come see what's upstairs. We're here upstairs with a fully loaded entertainment and game room. And you can relax on the patio with these unobstructed water views. This is the perfect space for a home office or a man cave. Florida's hot, but what a better way to spend the day than in your own pool. As you can tell, this is an incredible home. Give us a call today for your private tour.